Hey guys, welcome back. So we are 24 hours later. We are back in the garage because it is pissing down with rain today, so we can't really do much on the truck. But as I said in yesterday's video, we are going to be cutting the bed and the side panels for the truck. So we can't do it outside because it's pissing down with rain. It's awful, it's cold, it's wet, it's windy. So what I've done is I've poured everything inside this tiny little garage, and we're going to start to cut the frame, sorry not the frame, start to cut the side panels. And if you can notice what I've done already, yesterday I've cut the bed. So I have chopped the bed. In order for me to do that, I had to use some little templates. So this is the back of the bed. So out of the back of the bed you take 8 inches, and out of the front of the bed, which is down there, you take 12 inches. So what I did was I got some flat stock, cut it to 12 inches, cut it to 8 inches, and all I did was I measured from the top. I measured 5 1/4 inches down, and then I cut across, and then I took 8 inches out, and then I took out the 8 inches, and then I re-welded that back onto there. Same with the bottom, 5 1/4 inches up, cut, take the end off, then take the 12 inches out, and then replace the bottom end, and then weld it all back together. So these also serve a dual purpose. We're also going to use these on the side panels down here, because obviously you want to take 12 inches out the front, and then you want to take 8 inches out the rear. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So it's going to look like I'm just doing a lot of taping, but I'm literally just going to let the GoPro run, and you're just going to watch me basically draw all the lines, put all the tape on, and then cut everything. I'll keep you updated in the meantime. I'll grab my phone and do some foam bits as well. I know that the foam bits didn't do well on the last video because it was like a super close up of my face, which is not good for anyone. But yeah, this time I will pretend like I know what I'm doing with the camera and try and make everything look relatively good.
3 days gone, holes in my soles, south wind on the 2 cents road, back road pain, can't go home, walking down this gravel line. To my name, 3 days walking, can't wash off this shame. Walking down Mississippi way, walking, thin left the same. Empty pail from Monroe's freight train wheel, lost my soul, rain won't stop, time moves slow, walking down this gravel line, walking leave it all behind. 3 days walking, 2 cents to my name. 3 days walking, can't watch wash off his shame. Walking down Mississippi Way, walking thin left to say. Left your picture by the riverside, can't bear to see those tearful eyes. Now I'm just a drifting man, moving forward best I can. Morning comes, birds take flight, feet still numb. Lost my fight, but I roll through the night. 3 days walking.
Okay, so it's a couple of days later. We are back in the garage and we have finished the panels. So the bed, the 2 sides, one of the sides in the bed is on the truck. We'll go and have a look at that in a minute. The other one is here. So you can see it's not completely done, but it is more or less done. I've got to do a little bit of welding, but I will show you. You can take a look and see what I've done. And then I'll take you outside to the truck and you can see what it looks like on the truck. There's also something else different with the truck. I wonder if you guys can spot it and let me know. But I did some work yesterday on some other bits. So yeah, if you can spot it, leave it in the comments. I'll show you what it looks like now. One sec. Okay, so there's the bed all shortened. So 12 inches out of the front here. There are all the welds going down. So 12 inches out of there, and then it goes over the top. So you've got like a little pocket that goes across here, and then 8 inches out of the rear. So we cut 8 inches out of the rear, and that goes over the top. So altogether it's 20 inches, which is shortened. There you go, give you a bit of perspective of what it looks like. Right, let's go outside, have a look at it on the truck. We'll look at the other side, and I'll take you out now. Okay, let's have a little look, see and see what's going on. So here we go. So you've got the bed and the sides on the truck. As you can see there, that's where we welded it. There's still some welding to do, but it's pretty much done. And again, the bed, 8 inches off the rear, 12 inches off the front. Same with the back panels there, and they're just temporarily placed on there, but they're welded at the front. Same goes for those. And if you can see here, the truck is so much better. Did you notice the difference of what's happened to the rear of the truck? I'll let you guys figure that one out. But yeah, as far as the panels go, we have shortened everything. So you can obviously see now underneath as well. You got, that's where the frame chop was. So we did 12 inches out of there, both sides, using the Brothers kit. That's the other side there. And then we took 8 inches out of the rear. So yeah, all in all, it's taken me, I don't know, let's call it a week to get it all shortened, all the panels done, all the chassis done. Obviously you can see that in the other video that I've done as well. That'll be it for this episode, guys. Again, thank you very much for sort of sticking around and watching the videos and stuff like that. Feel free to check out the other content, like and subscribe if you want to. But yeah, thanks for coming along, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Sitting here watching the paint chip away. Lord, I'm watching the paint chip away. 20 years gone in the same.